Hello friends, welcome to Vidyut Tech. This is Sai Prakash. In this video, I would like to unbox EcoWatt Plus 850 inverter of Luminous company. Friends, please do watch this video till the end. If you came to my channel for the first time, please do subscribe to my channel. Friends, coming to this inverter EcoWatt Plus 850, this is having volt ampere rating of 800 volt amperes and active power rating of 672 watts. With this rating, you can load up to 3 lights, 3 fans and 1 TV. If you want to go with the more number of loads, then go with the higher volt ampere rating of the inverter. Friends, make sure that you have connected the load less than the active power rating of the inverter. For reason, please go to the previous video of EcoVolt Neo 1050 inverter of Luminous company in my channel. You can see the thumbnail on the screen or you can click on the I button, friends. Friends, this is a square wave inverter. So this is best suitable for more time power cuts, villages and more voltage of areas. For reason, please go to the previous video of sine wave inverter versus square wave inverter in my channel. You can see the thumbnail on the screen or you can click on the I button. Friends, this inverter is having fuse rather than the MCB. So if any short circuit or overload takes place, this fuse is going to blow out. So you have to replace it with a new fuse. Friends, this inverter is having warranty of 24 months, that is 2 years. Friends, for this inverter you can select 4 battery types. If you have selected your battery as tubular, you have to select tubular. If you have selected your battery as flat plate, you have to select flat plate. If you have selected your battery as local, you have to select local. If you have selected your battery as SMF, you have to select SMF. SMF means sealed maintenance free battery. Friends, you can select eco mode or UPS mode for this inverter. If you have electrical appliances, then go with the eco mode. If you have electronic appliances, then go with the UPS mode. Friends, for more details, please go through our website link in the description below. Please follow me on the Instagram, friends.
Friends, here you can see the Luminous company EcoWatt Plus 850 inverter. Performs best with Luminous batteries. Friends, here we go. We have got key features, alarms and protections. Coming to the key features, battery charging commences even at as low as 110 volts mains AC. Even the input is as low as 110 volts AC, battery charging takes place, friends. 4 selectable charging profiles customized to different battery types. Intelligent thermal management system keeps your system cool and shuts down the system during over temperature condition. If there is any over temperature takes place, it is going to shut down the system, friends. High charging current with 3 selectable charging current settings for quick charging of the battery. Friends, coming to the alarms, battery low pre-alarm, battery low, overload, short circuit, false. Whenever these takes place, inverter is going to alarm. Friends, coming to the protections, short circuit, battery deep discharge, overload and over temperature. Friends, over here you can see display indications, warranty of 24 months and product details. Friends, coming to the display indications, over here you can see mains available, eco mode, UPS mode, battery charging, low battery and overload. This inverter is having warranty of 24 months. Over here you can see, friends. Friends, over here you can see manufacturing date, month and year. 04 July 2020. Lot number. Product name UPS. Model EcoWatt Plus 850. Voltage is of 230 volts and the frequency is of 50 Hz. Quantity 1 number. That means only one product will be available in this box. Here you can see the MRP, maximum retail price of 6,700. Manufactured by Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. Here you can see the address, friends. For customer complaints, contact customer care executive at Luminous Power Technologies Private Limited. Here you can see toll-free number, email ID and website. If you have any queries or complaints regarding this product, you can contact through any of these. Friends, here you can see the Luminous company EcoWatt Plus 850 inverter. Now I am going to unbox this inverter, friends. Friends, this is the warranty card. You can see the fuse over here, friends. Friends, here you can see the front side of the inverter EcoWatt Plus 850. Luminous company. On the rightmost, you can see power on and power off button of the inverter. Friends, on the leftmost, you can see mains. Whenever the mains supply is available, it is going to glow. Charging. Whenever the battery charging taken place, it is going to glow. If the battery is fully charged, it stops glowing. Eco mode. When you selected eco mode, it is going to glow. UPS mode, if you have selected UPS mode, it is going to glow. Low battery, whenever the battery is low, this indication will be glowing. Overload, whenever the overload takes place, this LED is going to glow. Friends, this is the back side of the inverter. Here you can see the heat sink, friends. This is going to control the temperature. Here you can see red color wire, that is battery positive terminal. Friends, I will tell you about this block at the last. Output. Friends, from here you are going to take the output of the inverter. Friends, this is having fuse. Earlier I told you this is having fuse rather than the MCB. Input. From here you are going to take the input, friends. 230 volts and the frequency is of 50 Hz. Friends, here you can see the black color wire, negative battery, that is negative terminal of the battery, friends.
Friends, here you can see the details of EcoWatt Plus 850 model. Input rated voltage is of 220 volts AC. Rated current is of 5 amperes. Frequency is of 50 Hz, single phase. Output rated voltage 220 volts AC. Rated current 3.82 amperes. Frequency is of 50 Hz with the tolerance of plus or minus 0.5 Hz. Single phase.
Capacity. I told you earlier, volt ampere rating is of 800 volt amperes and active power rating of 672 watts. Operating temperature 0 to 45 degrees centigrade. DC bus rating of 12 volts DC, 53.4 amperes. Friends, this is having DC line voltage of 12 volts. So you have to connect single battery, because for the single battery you are having the voltage of 12 volts. Friends, here you can select eco mode or UPS mode for this inverter. You can select battery types also over here, friends. You can select 4 battery types: tubular, flat plate, SMF and local. Friends, this is the side of the inverter. Here you can see the holes, friends. These are for letting the heat out. Friends, on the top of the inverter you can see warning, risk of voltage backfeed. You have to maintain correct polarity, friends. You have to select battery range anywhere from 80 ampere hours to 150 ampere hours. Friends, for more details, please go through our website link in the description below. Please follow me on the Instagram, friends. Friends, after knowing the detailed explanation of this product, I hope you don't hesitate to call to the number on the screen. If you want to buy this product, you can call to the number on the screen or you can WhatsApp also. 9966979707. Friends, if you want me to do review of other products, please let me know, friends, so that we will come up with that video. If you like the video, please do like, share and comment for the video and subscribe to our channel and click on bell icon for more updates. Thank you for watching the video, friends.